Let's unbox some Hot Wheels. So, first of all, I have this Red Bull Racing RB20. It's my first ever Hot Wheels premium car and my first ever Hot Wheels Formula 1 collection. Let's go. It's so tempting just to keep this Hot Wheels in its box because, I mean, it's so cool. I paid 12 Australian dollars for this. Definitely well worth it. Look at that. That is wonderful. Look at the detail in that. I mean, if we just take a second to compare that to my actual 2024 Red Bull car, which I paid $60 for, that's awesome detail. It's even got little Sergio Perez helmet. All the details, everything is perfect except for the fact it's Sergio Perez. Anyway, that's beautiful, and it even has a screw on the bottom. That's so cool. Okay, next one is this. I found this in a Hot Wheels bin, actually not on the shelf. The Gordon Murray Automotive T33. Oh, that was satisfying. So, very cool car. I don't know much about it. It's an older Gordon Murray automotive vehicle, but it's a nice colour. Although it does look a little bit cheaper and I don't really like the rims. But overall, it's just a pretty cool car, especially as I already have the other Gordon Murray Hot Wheels car. That one was part of the Factory Fresh series, of which, whilst we're on the topic of Factory Fresh, I have another one, the Morgan Super 3. This is a very cool three-wheeler car that I have in Forza, brand new 2025, and that is such a cool car. Even the back wheel spins. I was actually quite surprised that that would just be fixed. But that is really beautiful, awesome paint job. How cool is that? That'll be an awesome addition to a diorama. Now, let's get on to this car. I've been seeing this car for about a year now, and I just haven't got it. It's part of the Hot Wheels Race Day collection. It's a 1969 Lotus Type 49 F1 car, and it is super cool. Wow, that's nice to get my hands on. That is super detailed. I really love that. And the engine is so cool, all that exposed chrome. And I love how it's got a driver in it as well. That's a nice addition, especially wearing all of the vintage sort of kit. Now, here is another one from a new category in this video, Hot Wheels Modified. Now, this is the Renault Espace F1 van, which I must admit is pretty disgusting. This thing looks terrible, but the only reason why I got it is that it's the Espace F1, so it's actually quite unique. Honestly, that's pretty average. It'll be cool as like a kind of street car. Alright, next thing, we have a 2024, I think, Ford Mustang Dark Horse with the awesome Hot Wheels stripes down the side from the Then and Now collection. Doesn't that look just so cool? I love the Dark Horse. It is just absolute boss. But that is a very cool car, especially because I also, to accompany it, got the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, part of the Mustang 60 collection, which is pretty cool to have your very own Mustang collection. So this is a really cool car. It's kind of like the Repco Supercars Championship Supercars, which is why I got it. But that is super neat. Rims, quite awesome. And I love the detail in the decals, especially in that Ford blue. So if you look at them side by side, I don't know which one's my favorite. Honestly, it's probably this one. I do kind of prefer that classic Mustang look. But they're both pretty awesome. Then the final car I will be opening in this video, it's actually two cars. I've never bought one of these packs, but they were on special for down from $12 at K-mart. Super cool Audi S4 Quattro and the Audi R8 LMS car. Now this LMS car is the only reason why I got this pack, but it's another Hot Wheels Premium, so we'll open this. Crazy that I got this for the same price as my Red Bull F1 car, but there you go. hate it when that happens. It's so annoying when it doesn't pick anything out. Oh wow, so they're actually fully in. That's new for me. How do I open this? Oh, so the little tab just down here. Oh, and just take that off. And then open that. There are two beautiful cars. Whoa, you can feel these are a lot heavier than your average Hot Wheels, especially the S4. Those are so nice. Beautiful, heavy die-cast. The wheels are even rubberized. That's so cool. I didn't even realize that. That's awesome. And this LMS car is undoubtedly I reckon a second favorite to the Red Bull of this whole unboxing. And this will be an awesome sleeper car. Like, you can't admit that for $12, this isn't worth it. That is so cool. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could go and subscribe to my cousin who's new to YouTube. Her YouTube user is Laurel's Life. I honestly really don't know what she posts on there. But if you could just subscribe to her or at least check the channel out, that would mean a lot to us. Thanks. And please, if you want to see more videos like this and everything else that I may be interested in, please consider liking or subscribing to the channel.